Hello everyone, I'm Zain and today we'll show you how to add leads from LinkedIn search. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and log in into your Dripify. We'll use Dripify in this video. Then you should go and click on create campaign after logging in into your account. So I will click on create campaign. Then now it is the step of adding leads. So simply click on add leads. Then you should search for basic LinkedIn search. Simply check it, then click on next. And now it will show you this page. Now go and click on LinkedIn search. And now you'll have to apply some filters. So simply click on all filters. Then you should add some values. I will add here United States, for example, or United Kingdom. Then down below right here, I will add another thing. So here I have applied some filters like the software development industry and the United Kingdom, for example. Now click on show results. Then it will show here all the results. Now, a quick note about basic LinkedIn search. You are limited to viewing the first 1,000 profiles in your search results because LinkedIn only displays the first 100 pages with 10 profiles per page. So even if your search shows thousands of profiles, you'll be able to access the first 1,000 and the rest will remain hidden if you filtered search. Still returns more than 1,000 profiles. I recommend applying additional filters to narrow your audience to around 1,000 profile. This ensures you can add them all to your Dripify campaign. So you can apply more filters if you want to lower the results or simply copy them like this. You'll have to copy the link like this. Then go back to Dripify and paste the link just right here. And it will show you the number of the results and it tells you that it cannot show more than 1,000. And now you will have to choose how many profiles would you like to add to this list, whether it's custom number by clicking on this option, then choose the custom number, or simply click on add maximum profiles. Here in my case, I will add the maximum profiles, then tap next. And now you will have to give it a name. So I will name it, for example, software development UK, for example, then click on create a list. And here we go. We have our list created. Once you launch this campaign, Dripify will start pulling leads one by one from the LinkedIn search page. Keep in mind, you can upload leads while creating a campaign like what I just showed you. And also by going to an extension campaign and uploading more leads the same way. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.